Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can write prompts on Midjourney. Now basically prompt is a set of command which you guys can use to make Midjourney do whatever you want. Now remember I said whatever, but basically it has like some kind of barrier, okay? So first you want to go into your Midjourney Discord server. Once you go into Midjourney Discord server, you want to click on newbie. Now if you have already added Midjourney to your own Discord server, you don't even have to go to their server. You can just go to your own server where you have added Midjourney and just write /. Once you write /, all the prompt which is available for Midjourney is going to be shown. So this is the prompt, this. There are multiple prompts. You can keep on scrolling and right below the prompt it shows you what it does. Toggles remix mode and stuff like that. So let's say I want to use one of these prompts. If I want to use one of these prompts, I can just click on one of them. So this prompt helps me create an image from Midjourney. So I will click on it. And over here I can ask it to create any image I want. I can say a cat and click on enter, and this prompt is going to be used to create a cat. Okay, that is basically how we guys can use prompt on Midjourney. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future Midjourney related videos like this. And if you guys have any question, feel free to ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.